What's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome back to J&J Legacy Homestead. Today we're harvesting some potatoes. We've been really busy with some side jobs and doing all the things around the house, so things kind of got a little out of hand over here weed wise, but you just watch me trim down the weeds on the bed here so we can get down to the potatoes, and yeah, let's get it going. Not getting a lot of potatoes, but decent sized ones. Alright, good one. So as you can see, like I said before, our garden's definitely gotten out of hand. We've been super busy. We helping a family member out renovate their house so they can move in before the kids go to school. Almost done with that. But luckily, most of our stuff is pretty, like potatoes. They can stay in the ground. They're good. You know, we could have left them in here a little while. Tomatoes, we've been doing really well. 25-30 pounds in the house and freezer. Tomorrow's probably gonna be sauce day. So this is our first year growing potatoes, and I'm pretty happy. I mean, we're not gonna have 300 pounds of potatoes, but it's funny how the dirt just within this garden, we're actually now probably in the original part of the garden. It was, you know, like a 20 by 30 or something like that. So the soil here is a lot darker and a lot more organic material in it, so it's a little tougher to dig into right now. Like up there, it's dark, but you know, real sandy. And then you get over there, it starts getting really sandy over by where the corn is.
Came out of nowhere.
That earthworm so big, Jen thought it was a snake.
It just started crawling over my knee.
Keep you with us here.
Potato or rock?
So we mulched with straw this year. We're not gonna do that again.
No.
We got more weeds growing, I guess, from the seeds in the straw. But it was a cheap, budget-friendly mulch. And it did the job. It held moisture in the ground. That's what you want. But it definitely made it harder to maintain the garden. Next year we may do a wheat famine.
We are doing
Jen says we are doing a wheat famine. That's it for our reds. Yeah. Yeah. Got you on my gorilla cart here. That way you guys can be with us. So you guys see our new chicken tractor. And it's been a while since we posted a video because we've been super busy. Jen's been making pickles. If I can figure it out, I'll upload a picture here. You're in the SPUDS. Oh, felt a lot bigger than what it was. Decent sized potatoes, though. This is just loaded with worm castings. I don't know if you can see that. That's all worm castings. Earthworms have been doing work.
I did.
These ones are like hanging on the
I'm double checking.
roots. Man, there's some good potatoes.
Ew.
Extra protein for the meat birds. Man, look at these potatoes. This is great. They're all fighting over one little mealy worm. So we got 29 birds in there. We lost one a couple weeks ago. Something fell on it, killed it. Really weird.
Very. Oh, look, it's a little.
So the brooder's in the garage, and there's like a little ledge where we have like stuff just sitting on the ledge there. I guess, I don't know, maybe the rabbits on the other side, you know, kicked the cage or something, shook the wall, and a can fell on one of the chickens, knocked them out. And must have been the night before because he was cold when we found him. So we had 31, we lost one. I think it was the one. He just didn't make it. I don't know. Sometimes that happens. That's why I said usually send you extra. We harvested 14 rabbits.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like 14 meat rabbits.
Oh, stop it. They're pulling the leaf in there.
So they're in the freezer. Probably gonna run the chickens up this here to eat all these weeds and stuff. Wow. Help till up the ground and fertilize it some more. Mosquitoes are coming out.
Yep. Everything nice.
Almost to the end though. So we did, the plants probably died quicker than they should have. We ended up with some blight. And, tried to trim them back and stuff, but it was just too hot and wet. It just a losing battle. So cut everything back and just let the potatoes sit here for a while. In a few weeks. So far, I'm really happy. Fruits of your labor, right?
Yep.
Hey, Mama. Almost there. Almost looks like a ginger. Got like another 8 or 10 feet of row up there. That's it for this row. Show you what we got so far. We got those.
All right.
And all these. Not too shabby. All right, we're gonna get resituated on the next row. We'll be back.
Just find a big one, eh?
we go. Not bad.
Don't
Not
be
bad.
afraid to get dirty.
All right, we got some tomatoes to go get real quick. And we gotta, these
Turn,
tomatoes will
man.
not quit.
No. This is a good one. Let's get it up.
Cherries.
Yeah, show them our peppers.
Peppers.
Or cucumbers.
Our cucumbers are, they're about done.
They were crazy. They
But
were all
they were good.
orange. Yeah, they're all orange.
Garden's kind of wild. We got stuff everywhere. Just it's crazy.
I'm coming through. We're gonna need it for down by the cherry peppers. Oh, look. My last cucumber. We got yellow and oranges.
These are one of our hybrids. It's a orange yellow.
I don't want to pull it. Here. Man, this battery's almost dead too. They're good. They're sweet.
Yeah, these are super good.
The yellow one.
I was not quite ready.
Oh look, got a couple cubes.
Yeah, the cucumber's still going.
That one you said's not ready yet.
It's not quite. I'm more like an
Here you go.
orange one or white thing.
They almost look like red peppers. Some of them red tomatoes.
Oh, you know the almost paste.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna have to use that one right away. I think a couple of these might have split. Got a bunch of these yellow ones.
These little pears are good. Riley loves them.
Can barely get them in the house. That one's split.
Let's go green.
It's alright. She'll still eat it. We've gotten so many. We found we do have one pepper left, and it's a bell pepper, I think. It's not there.
It's starting to leaf back up. We might be alright.
No, I had the bell pepper in there.
We got a jalapeno.
Yeah, we got lots of those.
Lots.
Riley's impatiently waiting for that to go change to purple.
Red.
You told her. Red. Might want to take this guy off before we get the big rain. This guy's no good. I couldn't get him off. A couple of them. Where should they go? Ooh, look at all that red over there.
So we eating him.
Yeah.
Man, look at all these.
Look at this. He's a little weird.
It's from our face eating blossom.
Oh.
It means there's two or more flowers on the actual.
But they're not any good to eat, right?
No, you can eat them. It's just like.
Besides the skeeters.
Look at all these tomatoes. So a couple beside here. Let's feed the chickens. chilies.
Oh, but I could use them in the... Lots of the cherries.
Not too shabby.
No.
Well, we're gonna sign off here. We got a lot to pick here quick, and it's been raining. I don't know if you could hear it in the microphone or not. But we just thank you for joining in. We'll see you next time. Please go like and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, God bless.
God bless.